When it comes to weight loss, everyone thinks about running in the outdoor, which could end up like this, or on a treadmill in gym, which could end up like this. But weight loss can be done easily and effectively in home without needing much space and any equipments. Welcome to Real Gains. The key factor to burn fat is to increase your heart rate. So you just need to perform exercises that increase your heart rate to lose body fat and perform ab exercises that will tone your belly. In this video, you will find exercises that will help you lose body fat and tone your muscles at the same time. Step-by-step instructions are provided after the workout to perform the exercises correctly. So watch this video till the end. Before getting started, please hit the subscribe button and the bell button to get notified whenever a video is posted. Also hit the like button if you like this video. Don't forget to share it with people to whom it will be helpful. Let's burn the fat with no further delay. That's it everyone, we have completed the exercise successfully. These are the exercises performed in this workout. In case you feel difficult to do any of the type A exercise, you can always replace with the one you find it easy. But never skip type B exercises. If you feel tired in between any of these exercises or sets, you can take an active rest by performing these simple exercises. Walking lunges. Inchworm. Let us now see how to perform all the exercises correctly. When you do jumping jacks, don't bend your knees. Hands should touch at the bottom and top of the movement. High knees is nothing but running in the place. Don't fist your palm. Keep your back straight. Squat jump is a great exercise for fat loss. Raise your hands to your shoulder level and perform squat. When you stand up, explosively jump, bringing down the hands to the sides of your body. Keep your lower back relaxed throughout the exercise. Burpees is an advanced exercise for fat loss. Start by placing your hands on the floor slightly greater than shoulder width and feet close but not touching each other. Extend your back such that you end up in a traditional push-up position. Don't arch your back too much. Perform a push-up and come back to starting position. Now jump, raising your hands above the head. Beginners can skip the push-up movement. Mountain climbers. Lay down in a traditional push-up position and keep your hands shoulder width apart. Balance your lower body with your toes. Your shoulders should be slightly ahead of your palms. Mimic the running movement of legs. Bring your knees closer to your chest. Windshield wipers are great exercise to reduce the love handles. Lay down flat on your back and lift your lower body 90 degrees. Rotate your torso such that the toes go closer to the floor, but make sure they don't touch the floor. Beginners can bend their knees and perform the exercise. Leg raise is a great workout for the lower abs. Lay down flat on your back and lift your leg until it forms 90 degrees with your body. Place your palms close to the glutes. Beginners can bend their knees 90 degrees and perform the exercise. Crunches are the classic exercise for your abs, especially the upper abs. Lay down flat on your back. Bend your knees 45 degrees, placing your feet on the ground. Keep your hands behind your head and start to crunch your upper body. Do these exercises continuously without any break. This makes one set. Perform 3 sets for ultimate fat burning. Let me give you a quick tip. In order to switch on the fat burning mode in your body, you need to be in a calorie deficit diet. Click the card to know more about it. Exercises are just to speed up the weight loss process. If you have any doubts or questions, make sure you leave it in the comment section below. I'll reply to it as soon as possible. Also mention your easiest and the hardest exercise of this workout. Check out my other videos to lead a healthy life. Thanks a lot for watching the video.